What if you could turn a simple Revit floor plan into a 3D architectural visualization in just a few seconds? Let me show you how. Export from Revit. Click on File, Export, Image, Export. Upload your Revit floor plan to Gemini, then paste the custom prompts I've prepared. Click on this plus icon, Upload File, select it, Open. This prompt tells Gemini how we want the floor plan to be visualized, including the architectural style, material, furniture, lighting, and overall presentation. Click Generate, and now let's see what it comes up with. We've gone from this simple 2D Revit floor plan to a 3D style architectural visualization. Of course, the result isn't always perfect. Gemini can sometimes misunderstand certain walls, openings, furniture, and proportions. So don't treat this as an accurate replacement for your Revit model. It's mainly useful when you want to quickly give a client an idea of what the space could look like. Now, edit with more prompts. If there is something you don't like, you can simply continue the conversation and tell Gemini what you want to change. For example, let's say use a light gray polished tiles. Submit. You can ask it to change the material, furniture, colors, or even the camera view. Just keep refining it until you get something closer to what you are looking for. I've left the full custom prompts I used in the description so you can copy it and try this with your own Revit floor plans. If you found this video useful, give the video a like, subscribe for more Revit and AI architecture tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you would like to see more workflows like this.